Khan's English Book 5 Plus, page 5. Dear students, let's learn about the shapes and sounds of letters. Let's read. You see that letters are different in writing style. They are capital and small letters. Name the letters and pictures. A for apple, B for ball, and identify the sounds of initial letters. Let's read. A apple, B bench, K cap, D dog, E eggplant, F fan, G goat, H horn, E insect, J jeep, K kiwi, L leaf, M mango, N nail, A onion. Respectable teachers and parents, encourage the students to differentiate small and capital letters through pictures. Also revise the sounds of different letters used in vocabulary of the lesson. Thank you.